To play the guitar, first get in position. Rest the guitar on your right leg, then place your right hand over the strings with your elbow out to the side. Place your left thumb against the back of the fretboard and place your fingers lightly on the strings. Keep your thumb placed around the middle height of the fretboard and try to keep your wrist relaxed. Next, learn the strings. The top string is number 6, followed by 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. They also have letter names: E, A, D, G, B, and E. You can remember with this mnemonic: elephants and donkeys grow big ears. Then tune the guitar using the knobs on the guitar's neck. Now try to learn a basic chord like a C chord. Place the ring finger of your left hand around the 3rd fret of the 5th string. Then place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string. Finish by placing your index finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string. Strum the guitar from the 5th string down to play the C chord, making contact with each string as you strum down. Practice strumming up and down a few times, keeping your wrists soft as you strum.